Vaishno Devi Yatra in Reasi district of Jammu and Kashmir was temporarily suspended on Friday evening due to flash floods. Shri Vaishno Devi Shrine Board CEO Anshul Garg said there were no injuries or property damage. Several videos shared on social media show flood-like situations on the Vaishno Devi trek. Katra, the base camp for pilgrims visiting the famous shrine, was battered by torrential rain in the evening, so authorities delayed the yatra till 5 am on Saturday. When it began to rain heavily at the shrine, thousands of people were there. Officials then suspended the Himkoti trek. To avoid panic, regular announcements are being made via the public address system. Emergency response team, CRPF and medical units are on high alert, authorities said.